going on, everyone? Up at the mountains, Bernardino mountains, it's pouring down rain, thunderstorms. It's really cool out. I saw a few flashes earlier, some rumbles. The neighbor's house. Visibility is starting to get real low too. I'm standing right now underneath the big redwood tree and pine tree, trying to keep nice and dry. It's starting to flood. Alright, go ahead and go in, I guess. Well, yeah, you can see the streets are starting to flood. Oh man, it's cold rain. Real cold rain. Woo! You can see right here, it's starting to flood. And it's going down into this big rain. Just wanted to do a video on the pouring rain out here. The thunderstorm that's coming by. More videos to come soon. Alright, peace.